Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Joan of Art in Art for Everyone. We have an art exhibition here at SM City Bacolod, and I would like to show you what we did for this exhibition. So we started out with a plain blank wall like this and some random paintings that we are supposed to put here. So what to do, what to do. After working overnight, I'd like to present to you our entire showcase, what we did with this wall and all the paintings installed. This seems to be a favorite wall for photo shoots, our wall. So once again, this is Joan of Art saying there is always life and love for everyone.